and welcome back to my channel, Mad Crafty. Today I'm going to show you how I turned these into these. So these blocks aren't actual Jenga blocks, they call them giant tumbling blocks, but you know, it's the same thing. I got mine from Home Goods on a super sale because Jenga is supposed to come with 54 blocks and this one was missing 3, so I only have 51 blocks, but it doesn't matter. With 51 blocks, I chose 5 colors and painted 10 blocks per color, and then the 51st block, I chose to make it a wild card. I did that because, I don't know, maybe you can incorporate that into the game somehow and make it a little more fun. So whether you're in the shed, sawing your own blocks, or you buy giant tumbling blocks, or you just use small Jenga pieces, here's how I painted them.
First, I'm just sanding down some of my blocks that were a little rough. Next, pick out all the colors you want to use. I'm using acrylic paint and I picked 5 base colors. To get the ombre effect, I used 2 shades of one color. If you don't have a second shade, you can just mix your color with white to make a lighter version. I first paint half my block with one shade, let it dry for a few minutes, and then paint the second half with the second shade. To blend the colors together, I just flip my foam brush over to a side that is dry, and I'm just rubbing and blending the two together. For my wild card block, I painted polka dots, and then, this part is fun, take your finger and slide it across. Once everything is dry, take your blocks outside and apply a clear setting spray if you wish, but this is definitely not necessary.
So that's it. Really easy. Ah! I heard a noise I didn't like. Ah! Dad? It sounded like someone was like walking right on top of me. Anyway, so whether you have giant Jenga, or baby Jenga, this is a really fun project to do. And of course, there are many other ways. You don't have to paint it. I've seen friends dye pieces. You can decoupage. Think outside the box. My thoughts about the wild card block is while you don't necessarily need one, in my head I'm thinking, oh, if this were a 21 and over adult game, maybe if someone moved the wild card block, the other team had to take a shot. Or if you were not drinking, maybe if you move the wild card block, the other team has to turn around 3 times before they take their next turn. You could kind of make it way more fun. That's what I think. Oh, and another idea, similar to Twister, since I have 10 blocks of each color, maybe I could make a little spinny thingy, and before each person's turn, they have to spin the spinny thingy, and whatever color it lands on is the color that they have to pull and pick. So there's so many different creative ways you can turn kind of like basic Jenga into something way more fun. I also think that this could be a really great idea for a party of any kind for the guest of honor. Say it's a birthday party or an engagement party or a graduation party. All of the guests each get 1 or 2 blocks. They get to decorate it, paint it, DIY it, and then at the end, you have a tower of love from all your friends and family. And I think that could be really special. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more crafts. I'm gonna go because I'm kind of freaked out of the noise I heard, and I'll see you next time. Bye!